Hi, welcome to drwaggers.com, your only destination for dog breed information. Today we will talk about Dutch Shepherd dog breed. So let's get started. Dutch Shepherd originated from Netherlands. It was used for all-around farm work. It's very active, obedient, and trainable. It is a purebred dog and not a crossbreed. Let's discuss some key characteristics of this breed. Adaptability in apartment. This dog breed has an average adaptability in apartments. I will rate it 3 out of 5 for its adaptability of living in an apartment. If you are planning to adopt this breed for your apartment, then don't worry, this breed will adapt very well in your apartment. Tolerance to cold weather. This dog breed has a good tolerance to cold weather. I will rate it 4 out of 5 for its tolerance to cold weather. If you stay at a place which has predominant cold weather, then you can adopt this breed. Tolerance to hot weather. This dog breed has a good tolerance to hot weather. I will rate it 4 out of 5 for its tolerance to hot weather. If you stay at a place which has predominant hot weather, then you can adopt this breed. Friendliness with family. This dog breed is very friendly with family members. I will rate it 4 out of 5 for its friendliness with family members. If you have young children or elderly family, then you can adopt this breed. Friendliness with kids. This dog breed is very friendly with kids. I will rate it 4 out of 5 for its friendliness with kids. If you have young children in family, then you can adopt this breed. Friendliness with strangers. This dog breed is not very friendly with strangers. I will rate it 2 out of 5 for its friendliness with strangers. If you are looking for a guard dog, then you can adopt this breed. Ease of training. This dog breed is very easy to train. I will rate it 5 out of 5 for its ease of training. If you are a first-time dog parent or don't want to sweat a lot in training your dog, then you can adopt this breed. Exercise needs. This dog breed has high exercise needs. I will rate it 4 out of 5 for its exercise needs. If you don't live in a big house or farmland, and if you are not a very active dog parent, then you should not adopt this breed. Well, I hope you understand Dutch Shepherd dog breed well now. Thanks for watching drwaggers.com video. You can visit our website to know more about dog breeds.